Alright, this is a quick test video for the Husqvarna Viking Emma. Comes with the manual, of course the machine itself, the original cord for the pedal, and the original power cord. The tool tray with some original tools in there. Just go over everything. Of course, there's more pictures on the eBay listing. Again, this is just a test video for the eBay listing for this item. You can find it under Bay Area Auction 77. So that's BAYAREAACTION 77. So Bay Area Auction 77. I hope I spelled that right. Either way. Alright, just showing you it works. Power's on. As you can see, it has the whatchamacallit that's in there, and then of course just a little spool of thread. Everything's there. Alright, the only thing that isn't here is just a cap that goes on this. I don't know. I'm sure that could be maybe bought through Husqvarna. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and of course, let me get that wire from underneath the pedal. You have different speeds and you can go faster. And then if you watch when I change that for the different thread patterns, it changes and gets into all the different thread patterns you have there. This was my mom's. I remember seeing a thing on there. Maybe at one point she lost it. I'm not sure. But it's a very, very, very clean unit. Other than that piece missing right there, I'd probably rate it at a 9 to be conservative on a 1 to 10 scale in the way of condition. Alright, again, this is just a functionality test video for the listing of this item on eBay. Alright, if you have any questions, you can contact me on eBay. On the item sale page. So, all right. Well, thanks and have a good night. Bye.